Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, as we know, Mother's Day is coming. So, we will prepare a beautiful tiara to give surprise to our mother. The material which is required to make this tiara is sheets. You can take the colorful sheets or plain sheets of one color. Scissors, pencil, scale, colors or some beads or stones to decorate your tiara. Now let us start. We will take sheets which will be in 10 centimeter of each side and cut it into a square shape. See, like this. Okay. Now after that, by taking these sheets, we will fold these. Okay, and you will take the 11 sheets for this. Now we will fold this from the center in a triangular shape. Okay, now open it and just fold one side up to the center and then fold the another side up to the center. Now from downside we will fold it once, then twice, and then we will fold thrice. It means 3 times we will fold from the downside. Okay, and press it gently. Take the another sheet. Same we will do with another sheet. Okay, fold it from this side up to the center. Fold from the another side and then fold it from downside one time, second time, and then third time. Okay, understand everyone? Now we will make like this 11 pieces. Okay, here I have taken the same colored sheet. You can take the colorful sheets. Now we will paste these. Now from downside just open the sides which we have folded and then we will place it like this. Now apply the glue on downside. Glue you have to apply properly and then after that paste it on the upper side like this and place it properly so that it will be more good, and then press it gently. After that paste the another same in the same way. Okay, now we will paste all the pieces like this in an order. Apply again glue, again paste, place it properly on the each piece. Okay, space should be proper. See, like this we will attach each and every piece. Now we will fold these upside. Okay, like this. Fold it very properly one and then second time. Okay, very good. Now after that turn it and just see it once. Is it looking nice? Yes. Now you will write the best mom on a strip and paste it in the center of your tiara. Look at like this you will paste. Okay, and after that you can take the beads or stones to decorate it. Here we will paste the beads like this and look how beautiful it is. I hope our mother mother will like it. Now, after that, next we will take and paste here. Okay? Yes. Now you can decorate your tiara with another material like stars. Here I am pasting the stars on the upper corners, the peak point of each piece, and you can paste it with the help of glue. And you can also shade it with the sketch pens, and you can draw some flowers to decorate it beautifully. Okay, I have pasted the stars and now I am drawing the flowers, and then after making this flower I am shading it. Okay, you can use any color of sketch and you can make any kind of flower which you like. Now I am taking the blue color, then I am drawing the beautiful flower and shading in this. And after that, make another flower with another color. You can use any kind of color which you like. Okay, shade it properly. It should be good and beautiful. And after that, I will shade it from upper side to downwards like this. Okay, it will make it more beautiful. Shade it very properly with any color. Okay, then on the another side I am using the another color. I am using the pink color and shade it beautifully. Shade it properly so that it will become more decorative. Okay, now you can draw any other thing also like stars. We can draw stars and after that fill the color in it with the sketch. Okay, you can make the stars on another side also with another color, the colors which you like more, you can use that colors. Okay, and after that, after making the stars on the each and every piece, it will become like this. See, and now it looks like this, and you will take the each corner from both sides, turn it and paste it with the glue. Okay, paste it properly. Now your tiara is ready. See how beautiful it is. Okay, so present it to your mom and show your love to her. Okay, class? Thank you.